Model, 2016 Mercedes Sprinter 313 CDI 3.5T automatic long fully working fridge box van no VAT bargain. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 166166. MOT, the 30th of April 2025. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 129 HPA. Transmission, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. This starts and drives brilliantly. Engine and automatic gearbox are perfect. Very smooth, reliable, powerful vehicle, fully working fridge unit, ready to get in and go to work. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0